It flows with a smooth current and takes away what no longer serves you. With each exhale, imagine a small pebble of worry placed upon the bank and left there. The river carries it away without effort. Watch as the current moves gently and feel lighter as it travels. Think now of a future morning where you wake with ease. Picture the sunlight touching your face and your energy aligning naturally with your purpose for the day. See yourself moving with a calm clarity that does not rush. Hold that picture for a few breaths and let it nurture you in this sleep. Now, allow these affirmations to be repeated softly in your mind. I rest easily. My body knows how to heal. I release with love. Say them slowly and let them echo alongside your breath. No need to force them. Allow them to land gently where they are received. Extend into a spacious quiet. Imagine a vast valley beneath a night sky. Stars rotating slowly. A moon that moves like a slow pulse. The valley is safe. It is held. You are a small, comfortable presence within it. Breath follows a natural tide here. You are part of a larger rhythm. Allow yourself to tune into that rhythm and to drift with it. Now, for a longer period, simply notice your inhalation and your exhalation. Count silently if that helps. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let this counting be a soft metronome that calms the nervous system. Keep counting with the breath at your own pace. Keep breathing in this pattern, letting the body sink further on each exhale. If you notice thoughts, gently notice them and return to the counting and the breath. Feel the sensation of the mattress supporting you, the warmth of the covers, the gentle expansion and contraction of your belly. Allow the quiet to deepen. You are safe. You are calm. Now picture the sky above your safe place, thick with slow, drifting stars. Each star is a tiny point of gentle light, and with every exhale, one more star twinkles and fades. These stars watch over you as you sleep. They remind you that vastness surrounds your small concerns, and in that vastness, there is relief and perspective. As you drift, your body repairs itself. Cells renew, muscles release, digestion slows into peaceful equilibrium, and your nervous system balances. Your subconscious organizes helpful thoughts. You absorb calm, and when you wake, you will carry a residue of peace into your day. Now, very softly, I will remind you of your intention for this sleep. It could be restoration, healing, clarity, or simply rest. State it silently now. Imagine this intention as a small lantern you hold. With every breath, the lantern glows brighter and steadier, bathing your inner landscape in gentle light.